Hi, I'm Mrs. Pratima Sinha, CEO of DSR Educational Society, Hyderabad. We have been associated with 8Us from last 6 years. Earlier we used to take work from them for our digital marketing, but because of the excellent work that they gave us and the quality, we have also given them maintenance of all our websites. The staff at 8Views is commendable. I find that they oblige immediately. The creative team is so creative that I'm very satisfied with the work that they have done for us. Niranjan, their head, is also very open minded. He always maintains that relationship with us and gives us that kind of confidence and trust that we look for with any associations that we have. So I'm sure I'm going to continue with them for years together. What I really like about 8Views team is they sit down and understand the concept of what we require. So what I need, what I want, they immediately understand that, and they present the concept to us in such a creative manner that it is awesome. We have built in that beautiful relationship with them, and I'm very happy about it.